Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Gboard is installed and updated, and you have the Indic language pack added. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Languages, and Input, and select Gboard as your active keyboard. This ensures the system routes input to the correct app. Next, enable the specific Indic language in Gboard's Languages menu, then grant microphone and storage permissions so handwriting and voice work properly. Reboot the phone if changes don't take effect. This clears cached input services and avoids common sync issues. Once your languages are active, you configure layouts and input methods. Choose transliteration for phonetic typing or native script for direct character entry, because each mode affects prediction and keyboard mapping. Make sure handwriting and voice typing are enabled as reliable fallbacks. These use different engines and can reveal whether the problem is layout-related or engine-related. Then, test immediately in a simple text app. Switch language from the spacebar, type sample words, and try voice input so you can observe prediction and autocorrect behavior in context. To finalize, clear Gboard's cache and, if necessary, its app data. This removes corrupt settings that block Indic scripts. Once done, verify Gboard is the default input method in system settings and temporarily disable any other keyboard apps that could conflict. Restart the device to finalize service registration. If problems persist, reset keyboard preferences or uninstall and reinstall Gboard. This forces fresh language downloads. One key troubleshooting tip. If a particular script still won't appear, remove and re-add that specific Indic language so its resource files re-download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.